You built your shop by saying yes when others said no. Every day brings new parts, new materials, and tighter deadlines. But your best CNC machine sits idle 16 hours a day because you cannot find a second shift operator. Job shops like yours thrive on flexibility, but that same flexibility makes traditional automation impossible. Vendors pitch expensive turnkey cells for 50,000 identical parts, but you run 50 parts of 1,000 different designs. The math just does not work. Collaborative robots, or cobots, have changed everything for high-mix, low-volume shops. Unlike traditional robots, cobots work safely alongside people, require no safety cages, and can switch jobs in minutes. Your operator can load raw stock while the cobot unloads finished parts. No robotics engineer needed. If your machinist can write G-code, they can program a cobot. Start small, prove it works, and scale up when ready. Imagine setting up a job, teaching the cobot, and going home. The cobot runs overnight. You return to finished parts and quality reports. No overtime, no midnight shifts, just your time back. Automation can seem risky, but shops winning today started with the same doubts. They just got tired of being the bottleneck. What would change if your best machine ran 2 shifts, starting now? Contact Automation Distribution today to find out if collaborative robots are right for your job shop.